Hey guys, Paul Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe Originals and Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation. And today I want to share with you a very small part that's a great little detail add-on for your Lowrider ST models. And what I'm talking about is, it's called a crown stem nut. And what it is, it's this little stem nut that bolts in on top of your tree. The stock one is very mundane, very boring. And we wanted to dress it up. And so what we did is we made a really cool 12-point cap. It comes in 8 different colors: chrome black, orange, purple, green, blue, gold, any color I would think that you would want, red. And it includes some ARP stainless polished hardware. And basically all you do is you just unbolt this little item and you bolt in our killer crown stem nut 12-point bolt. That's it. Thanks for watching.